Hi everyone, I'm Victoria Sharp and I am so excited to be announcing that I am going to be coming to the beautiful Anamaya in April 2024. This is something that I've been planning for a long time and it's finally coming, and so I'm really excited to hopefully have lots of you come and join me at Anamaya. Anamaya is an amazing place and it offers 3 meals a day plus snacks, so you have nothing to worry about once you step foot. You are going to be pampered and taken care of the whole time. If you've never done a yoga retreat, there's a few things that you can be looking forward to and expecting. You're not going to be doing yoga all day. You will have lots of free time to customize and create the perfect week for you. Every morning we'll start off with a practice, and this will be more of a flow style practice where you will get to do some pranayama and meditation as well. And in the evening we'll be doing more of a recovery class. So you can expect to see more of slow postures, restorative, and a time to just nourish your body before your last meal. All of these classes are geared to everyone. I really promote that yoga is for everybody and every body. And so I encourage you, if you've never done yoga before, that this is a safe place to come, or if you've done yoga a lot and you want to come and join us, that we can give you the experience that you're looking for as well. And we can come together and we can support each other. I'll also be providing 3 different workshops. And these workshops are really dear to my heart because I'm also a mobility specialist. And I believe that movement is something that we can use in our lives to create longevity and to create a healthier lifestyle as we age. So these workshops are geared towards the mobility side of my practice. We will be focusing 1 class on our spine, 1 class on our hips, and 1 class on our shoulders. And you really won't want to miss out on any of these. By the time we are done our week together, your whole body is going to feel reset. You're going to feel strong. You're going to feel like you have more flexibility. And you'll also have these tools that you can take back and put into your daily life so that you can keep creating movement for longevity. I really encourage everybody to take some time to think about if a yoga retreat is for you and think of the possibilities. The beautiful thing about Anamaya is that you can customize your week. So you can be as busy as you want, or you can also cut back and be as laid back as you want. During the day, you have the option to go to the beach, maybe take a spa day. You can hang out at the pool, perhaps take a surf lesson. Maybe you want to go and explore. Take the time to connect with the community or maybe some new friends that you've met along the way. I hope that you'll take the time to check out all of the information. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself or Anamaya, and we will guide you and get you set up for an experience of a lifetime. After our week together, you are going to come home refreshed, rejuvenated, re-energized, and ready to take on your day-to-day tasks and all the things that are thrown your way throughout the year. I hope that you'll join us, and I'm really looking forward to meeting each and every one of you. Take care.